Hey, look at what I have for you here. After much contemplation, I and my wife are producing this trimming and dissection video for you. It has my philosophies and insights into so much about trimming the equine foot, and then I'm going to dissect that same foot and show you all the parts and pieces of it. I'm only going to be using a knife and a pair of nippers in this dissection. So you're going to see it layer by layer by layer. And trimming wise, I'm going to go into my insights about what to trim, what not to trim, and why. I'll be talking about some of the common diseases that we run into and how to recognize the healthy structures and the landmarks, and most of all, what's inside? What is inside that hoof, right? Where are all these parts and pieces, and what do they do? There's so much in there, and it's so much to learn. And this is not stuff that I learned in veterinary school. This is stuff that I've picked up nearly 30 years of being an equine veterinarian. So I'm really excited to share it with you. Almost literally, you're gonna have this opportunity to develop some x-ray vision around what you see on the outside of a hoof and what it might look like on the inside. That's one of the great benefits of doing hoof dissections. I've done many hundreds of dissections in my career, and I'm going to show you a way that I do it, and I really hope you can get a lot out of it. You're going to learn what you can do with these parts and pieces that you see to complement your horses and the way they're moving and the health of their hooves. Sit back and relax and enjoy this process of learning how to trim and dissect this equine hoof.